Finished creating your presentation and ready to share it with others. AhaSlides makes it easy to distribute presentations for live events, meetings, classrooms, and remote collaboration. In this guide, I'll show you how to share presentations in AhaSlides in 2026. First, sign in to your AhaSlides account and open the presentation you'd like to share. Make sure your slides are finalized and ready for your audience. Inside the presentation editor, look for the Share button or Sharing menu. This is where you'll find the available sharing methods. Select the option to create or copy a shareable link. This allows other people to access your presentation using a direct URL. For live presentations, AhaSlides can provide a participant join code or QR code. Audience members can scan the code or enter the join code to participate instantly. Review any available sharing permissions and access settings. Depending on your presentation, you may want to control who can view, participate, or collaborate. Send the presentation link through email, messaging apps, learning platforms, meeting invitations, or collaboration tools used by your audience. Before your event begins, test the shared link and participant access methods. This helps ensure everyone can join without issues. And that's how to share presentations in AhaSlides in 2026. With shareable links, QR codes, and participant join options, you can quickly distribute your presentation and engage audiences anywhere. So share your next presentation and start interacting with your audience. Thanks for watching.